This is the equation absolute value of x minus 2 plus 1. So how you would write this is x minus 2 plus 1, which is this line right here, for when x is greater than or equal to negative 2. So when x is 2 or anything greater than 2, it's going to be this line right here. When x is less than 2, however, it's going to be negative x minus 2 plus 1 when it's less than 2. So it's that line right there. That's how you write it as a piecewise function. How do you graph it? You plug in a number. So let's say you have 4. So since 4 is greater than 2, you put it in. So it'll be 4 minus 2. That is 2. And then 2 plus 1 is 3. Point right there. If you do negative 1, put in negative 1. You get negative 1 minus 2. And then that's negative 3 multiplied by negative, so it's 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. There's a dot right there. So when you take the absolute value of an equation, what effect does it have on the graph? So the effect it has on the graph is it takes all of the values and turns them into a positive value. So when you plug in a number, and like negative 1, you're going to get negative 3 and multiply by negative 3 plus 1 is 4. It basically reflects the dot or the point over the x-axis and onto the positive y-axis.